Only 1% of people know why some stones suddenly explode while cooking. Most people think any flat stone is safe to use over a fire. And since campers do it all the time, it doesn't look dangerous at all. But not every stone is the same. Rocks found near rivers or lakes can slowly absorb water over time. Even when they feel dry, moisture can still be trapped inside. When the stone heats up, that water turns into steam. With nowhere to escape, pressure builds until the stone suddenly cracks or explodes.